Sri Lanka is a country with rich biodiversity, and the recent developments in finding eco-friendly livelihoods has given boost to the ecotourism. Ecotourism is the facilitation of the tourists who like to enjoy the beauty of the environment in a simple way. This provides the communities in those ecosystems to earn a living while protecting the system. The awareness of the value of ecosystems by the communities living in those regions encourages people to protect those systems. Ecotourism adds value to the biodiversity too. The flora and its relationship to the broader environment is brought to the front. Dumbara Forest Cover is a special place where the different ecosystems can be seen together. Pitavala Patana, Kuda Lokantaya, which is known as the Small Worlds, and Serayalla are some of the places with high tourist attraction. The creative methods of describing ecosystems in the forest can help popularizing the environmental education. The beautiful Serayalla created by the flow of Thelgamu Oya is the epic center of the wonderful Knuckles Range. Income generation opportunities could be created by providing bathing facilities for tourists at Thelgamu Oya and other streams for flowing through the area. Also, facilities could be arranged to showcase the lifestyles of the people in the area and enjoy the taste of their food by the visitors. Since these food items are supplied by the biodiversity of the area and recipes special to these areas, it adds value to the biodiversity of the region while bringing benefits of the ecotourism to the people of those villages. Tourists will be able to enjoy the authentic cooking of the village while experiencing the hospitality of these wonderful villages.
Home study